Speaking of social media, ano yung pinaka-worst na ramdaman mo? Naranasan mo sa social media?
Hindi ko alam. Umaabot ka na sa pagpatol minsan? Anong tinatulad?
Umaabot?
Patola.
Why not? If you feel like you have the right, that's my account anyways. If my followers feel that they have the right to criticize, because that's how they feel. Kasi it's free, freedom of expression. I also have the right to say that this is how I feel about the whole thing. Diba? Ganun lang yun. So, if, for example, they will get upset because I did something like that, then, kagaya ng mga sinasabi nila, they shouldn't be in social media thing also. Kasi that's what they keep telling me, na if you're going to get upset, you shouldn't have an account in social media. But I figured, but that's my voice. This is my account. Kayo nga, you think, you feel, you have every right to criticize. Tapos ako, wala akong right ipagtanggol yung sarili. Diba? Hindi fair. Besides, hindi ako papatol para awayin. I don't do that. Hindi ako nakikipag-away. I voice out my opinion about the matter na about yung sinasabi nila. And it's just weird for me because actually if the comments are coming from bashers, hindi ko papatulan yun. Unless it's my family or it's Nate. Okay lang yun. Accepted ko na pati yun. Pero it's coming from so-called followers, my fans, my friends. So it's more difficult for me to just accept that. Kasi supposedly, they are my supporters na naiintindihan naman nila. Although I don't really expect for them to understand. But I'm just saying, if they feel that they have every right to criticize or to say whatever it is they think, susulat nila sa buong mundo to see, I also have the right to say that, well, this is how I feel. Diba?